Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating the system and protecting yourself. Lock out power and confirm 0 volts. Next, recover refrigerant into a certified cylinder and take an oil sample to check contaminants. This tells you if flushing is needed. While the recovery runs, assemble the correct compressor oil, filter dryer, pump and seals. Make sure you have service manuals and torque specs on hand. Once ready, position a drain pan and prepare to vent residual pressure slowly before loosening the oil drain plug. You drain the oil fully and immediately measure the volume and color. Record these readings for diagnosis. Once drained, inspect the oil for metal flakes and check magnets and the suction oil screen. Finding debris indicates internal wear or failure. Clean the sump with approved solvent if needed, then install new O-rings, seals, and the correct filter or dryer. Make sure you apply the manufacturer's oil fill amount and torque specs precisely. Otherwise, you risk oil starvation or overpressure. When done, you evacuate the system to the specified deep vacuum and then recharge refrigerant while adding the exact oil volume recorded earlier. This restores proper lubrication and charge balance. Start the compressor and monitor suctions/discharge pressures, temperatures, and oil level. Listen for unusual noise and watch vibration. Make sure oil returns to the crankcase. If it does not, stop the unit and recheck filter orientation, lines, and sight glass. If low oil alarms, grinding, or persistent metal debris occur, isolate and replace the compressor. That single troubleshooting step prevents catastrophic failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.